How to turn off direct message preview notifications on TikTok. Hi guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. And then when your TikTok is opening, as you see, you just go to profile here, open your profile. Then when you open your profile, go to this three line here, open it, then go to settings and privacy, and then open notifications. Then you will go to message, direct message preview. Now you have to turn off this by clicking here on this place, make it look like this, and that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.